Are you looking for the best face masks for germs of 2020 in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best face masks for germs of 2020 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dynarex 2201 Medical Surgical Face Mask. The Dynarex 2201 is a face mask that is great for several hours of use. It comes with a dependable fabrication and one of the most agreeable prices on the market. This mask is excellent for those who are looking for a budget-friendly personal protective equipment that does a decent job of protecting people against airborne irritants. Our assessment of the 2201 flu face mask reveals that its main advantage is its price. For the price of a few pieces of a high-end particle respirator, you already get 50 masks. It is a great deal, especially when you consider the other pluses that the Dynarex product has. It is good news for people with latex allergies. The fabric is also soft that it will not rub against the skin. There are also folds on the mask that allows for better expansion. It guarantees ample coverage of both the nose and the mouth. Rest assured, you will not be gulping or inhaling any unnecessary particles into your system. The ear loops are also easy to use. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Unihow filter mask. Face masks can protect you against common airborne irritants like dust, pollen, and other particles. These are great for daily use. Unfortunately, you can only use them once. It can be a costly proposition if you want round-the-clock protection. An alternative will be to buy inexpensive yet good quality face masks. One such product is the Unihow filter mask. One of the strengths of Unihow germ mask is its affordability. It comes in a 50-count package that should last a few weeks. What surprised us the most is the individual packaging of the face masks. Most budget masks come packed in boxes. The moment you open the box, you already expose the rest to environmental contaminants. It is for this reason that many people love using Unihow face masks. The design of the mask itself is just right for its price. It is not as thick as other brands. At number 3, we have the FWPP 4-layer disposable face mask. The quality of the air we breathe is decreasing every second. Every time we leave the comforts and safety of our home, we get exposed to pollutants and other irritants. Wearing a face mask can help reduce these risks. It is a good thing that FWPP is offering people a disposable face mask that is not only economical, but it also works great for everyday use, too. What I find interesting about the best face mask for flu is its 4-layer particle filtration design. One of these layers has electrostatic properties that are ideal for trapping charged particles in the air. FWPP also says that the face mask can filter up to 90% of airborne particles. We believe this to be remarkable, given the nature of face masks. The mask's fabric is soft and will not irritate your skin. It is also porous enough to allow for more natural breathing. It can also help ensure better comfort when wearing the face mask. The nasal clip also helps to secure the mask and prevent it from slipping off your face. The strap is adequate and can be easily looped around both ears. At number 2, we have the Honeywell Nuisance Disposable Dust Mask. It is easy to develop respiratory diseases when you inhale dust and other non-toxic particles. These can irritate the airway passages and lead to inflammation. Sooner or later, you will already be sneezing and coughing. That is why a dust mask is necessary whenever you expose yourself to these particles. Honeywell offers you the Nuisance Disposable Dust Mask. This single-use dust mask looks like an ordinary mask that people in construction projects use. However, it does a decent job of blocking irritants that may enter your mouth and nose. We like the soft material used in its fabrication. We also like the odorless nature of the mask. At least, you get to free yourself from other respiratory irritants in the form of odor molecules. And finally at number 1, we have the 3M 8511 N95 Respirator. Professionals always trust 3M to give them products that protect them against particulate matter. From medical professionals to those in the construction industry to firefighters, they rely on 3M's range of personal protective equipment, such as sick masks. One of the brand's best-selling PPE is the 8511 model of face mask. This product provides better particulate filtration than other face masks on the market, without compromising one's ability to breathe. You will feel more secure and safer when working in environments that can expose you to dust, smoke, and other particles like viruses. It comes with a unique electrostatic media that acts like a magnet to airborne particles. These particles will cling to the fabric of the face mask, stopping their entry into your lungs. There is a nasal clip, too, that allows you to find the perfect fit for the mask. When you fit the mask, it forms a seal on the skin. It gives you peace of mind when it comes to protection against harmful airborne particles. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.